anything. If you really want it, then fight for it.
Sydney, I have been, but my life wasn't in your hands to decide when to take and when not. Ek moet na kliënte toe gaan soos nou wat daai keer my hele freaking voet is ingekap. Dan moet ek vir jou en Brenny bel om my by my kliënte toe kom haal want ek kan nie bestuur nie.
Well, there's a lot of shit that happened to us, okay? But you can bring yourself all you want. It's not going to help you get your child back. Well, not that you don't have her. You have her as much as I have her. But if you want her more, leave that shit in the past. Learn from it, leave it there. Grow, fight, learn.
So why don't you as well and give her back to me?
Because, like I said, it's not up to me.
Sydney, maar jy kan ignore nie. Dieselfde panty aan as gister, dieselfde klere as gister. Asseblief, ek smeek jou.
Dit is nie een keer ooit. Dit is die eerste keer ooit wat dit gebeur.
Dit is nie. Ek het op by Medikliniek nou die dag by my ouma afgelaai sonder 'n panty. Nou die dag weer, laas naweek weer sonder 'n panty.
But I don't understand what's the big guy. There's a lot of times that I don't wear underpants.
Sydney, want sy kon by die huis saam met my gewees het, en ek kon nog gepad het, en ek kon vir gelees het, en ek kon vir lekker skoon klere aangetrek het.
Okay, I know, I don't have a problem. Ek moet net in my kop regkry wat ek wil hê voor ek al vir teruggee.
Wat wil jy hê?
Ek wil net hê jy moet my nie fucking spite nie, because I know you.
Ek spite jou nie, Sydney. Ek vat al my en jou responsibility, en ek vat responsibility vir goed wat nie waar is nie.
Oh, what responsibility do you take? I have to pay for everything.
And before,
I have to feed her, I have to check that she gets to school.
Year.
What do you mean everything? You maak asof ek fokol doen nie. I take probably 80% of the responsibility. But like I said, I don't mind. I have to just get it right in my head what I want for you not to be able to spite me because then I can't live my life.
En
you
wat is
understand?
dit?
I don't know. I have to go
Ek is nie spiteful nie, ek is nie julle nie. Ek wil net my
You've been spiteful many times before.
Like with what?
You've been with Christy Ann. You've done it. Why do you think I'm so afraid just to tell them to give?
What did I do that was spiteful?
Okay, I can't remember now, but I
No,
know there
tell
was a few
me.
things.
You keep saying it. What?
I'm saying, for instance, like the thing that I went to my mom.
Okay.
That's
Jy het haar in aangeval na jou ma toe gevat, want jy het vir my gesê ek het nie 'n keuse in dit nie. Jy vat haar, toe druk jy die foon neer. So ek weet nie hoekom jy nog steeds aangaan nie. Want jy het nog steeds die besluit geneem op die ou end en jy het haar gevat. So hoekom gaan jy aan daaroor? Ek was nie spiteful nie. Wat nog? Waaroor was ek nog spiteful wat jy jou kop by mekaar oor wil kry?
Ek weet nie, maar dit is maar generally waaroor dit gaan vir my. Ek wil nie hê jy moet vir my kan lees.
You're just trying to keep your name clean. That's what.
No, I don't care. I just don't want you to be able to say no to me when I want to see myself.
Dit is hoekom.
I don't give a fuck, man. Don't give a flying fuck. I said, kom maar kom.
Ja, maar jy het alles gejok. Is dit nie hou op?
Ek weet nie. Okay, I just told you, I will give Christy Ann to you. I just need to get the correct plan in my head so that you won't be able to spite me or say no to me in regards to Christy Ann. That's all. Then you can take her. Not take her, we already have her. But, through the week and whatever. Because they're probably anyway going to have to come and fetch her. So I don't have a problem with all of that because I'm too busy to work anyway.
Wat wil jy hê, Sydney?
I don't know yet. I just don't want you to be able to say no to me when I want to see my
Maar ek vra jy nou,
child.
ons gaan April hof toe. Wat wil jy hê? Want jy het alles op my blameer. En jy het gejok. Waaroor meer wil jy dink?
I told you a million times. I don't want you to be able to spite me or say no. Because I know you, and as soon as you have the upper hand, you're going to fucking fuck me.
Ooh.
by saying no and telling me when I'm cancer and telling me which vacations I can take. Telling me, no, I can't see her, I can't come there. I don't like not being in control of. I've worked hard to get Christiane to where she is.
Sydney, hoekom het ek daai tyd nee gesê? Hoekom wou
I don't know.
You don't know.
Okay, you get angry.
Jy het my besigheid
you get
gevat.
unnecessary and I
Jy
understand
het my
that.
besigheid gevat. Jy het welfare toe gegaan.
Ja, wel. En as ek
Jy het
dit
my
wil regmaak
seer
en
gemaak,
praat.
Sydney.
Ja, okay. Ons het altyd mekaar seer gemaak and I'm sorry, but life's a bitch. You must just learn how to grow with it. Healing.
Healing grow.
About what?
Asseblief.
You
Jy
think
gaan
I'm
nie
gonna
oor
take
jou
her?
nie. Dit gaan oor haar. Sydney, she wants to be with me.
Yeah, and I've seen
I'm
that in the
good
last
to
while.
her.
I know, I've
Ek
seen
het
that in
nie
the last
in die
while.
verlede nee gesê. Ek het nie in die verlede drama gemaak en goeters omdat dit ek was nie, Sydney. Jy het my konstant seer gemaak.
Yeah, I understand you had your reasons, but unfortunately that's not how life works.
It wasn't my reasons. It wasn't my choice either.
Okay, it is your choice to not
Sydney,
hurt
ek
me
kom
as
nog
well.
met alles, asseblief.
Okay,
Asseblief, dis nie reg nie.
okay, I won't take her away from you. You have a nice deal that you love and be very happy with. She's gonna stay with you, don't worry about it. I just want to sort out the weekends and all of those things and
Maar dit is
when I
deel
can
van die
go and go
parenting
see-
plan.
ja, man, daai parent, ek wil dan nie naweke wees wat net my of jou is. Jy verstaan, ek wil die opsie hê as ek al wil sien dat jy nie vir my kan neus sien nie. Ek wil die opsie hê dat ek as ek byvoorbeeld halfdag werk en die werk is klaar en jy is by jou huis, dat ek soontoe mag gaan en dan gaan sien. Dat jy nie vir my kan neus sê nie. What you
Okay,
want
nou
to
moet
do?
ek sal dit op skrif vir jou sit.
Ja, ek weet, dis my plan. I just have to think about it.
Ding, ek smeek jou, doen nie regte ding asseblief.
Okay, I've always wanted to do the right
Ek is
thing.
lief, oh.
Okay,
Ek is om
Ek is
mama
ook-
se nie asseblief, oh.
I know. Like I said, I'll never take her away from you.
Maar jy doen.
Then why is she sitting there with you?
Ek weet
Why
nie,
have
want
she
ek
stayed
vertrek
with you?
in die pad.
Why has she stayed with you for the last week?
The last week. She's almost been
Yeah.
with me the last 3 weeks every day.
Well, are you happy with the week or not?
Sydney, sy behoort by my.
Yes, I know. And I want her to go
Ek
back to you. I
wou
don't
nie
have a
meer
problem.
wat jy in die verlede gedoen het nie. Ek is
Okay,
hartseer
nou
omdat
kom
jy
jy
my
reg.
kind wil wegvat, asseblief.
I don't want to.
Sydney, you haven't stopped hurting me in 5 years. I'm begging you, please, just do the right thing.
Yes, I will.
Asseblief.
I will. You're stressing about nothing.
I'm not, Sydney.
You are.
I'm not. Kyk wat het jy alles van my gesê, Sydney.
Okay.
Alles was op my blameer.
Well, ek het niks fout gedoen nie. In regards to Christiane, what did I do wrong? Did I not pay? Did I not have on medical? Did I not get her to school?
Hou
Did I not
oor
get her new
geld.
clothes? Ja, ek nie net geld nie, maar ek het op by die skool gekry, daar routine reg gehad, dit mos.
Die afgelope jaar